What was that, Cranny? Say it again. Excuse me, Crinner. Crinner. Hey there. Think so? That's a bold statement, Crinner.
No poop.
No poop? Oh no, Cooper's little weenie on the camera. Oh no. We'll have to blur that out later. Really? Smelled like it. He even said he did, didn't he?
Which looks kind of suspicious. I never missed it. Did you start? I guess you forgot.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, where's that serve?
Or just slipped out and you didn't even notice. And blame it on you.
Crinny! What you got in your hand, Crinner?
And
You got 10 more seconds, Crinny, and then I'm going to shut it off. Hey, Coop, come say hi to the camera. Come say hi. Hi.